Former Indian cricket captain Kapil Dev, who is an avid golfer since his retirement from international cricket in 1994, has been inducted into PGTI as board member. He promises to help attract corporate support for Indian golf and golfers. I am joined by Kapil Dev at this hour. Thank you very much for joining me. You had the ambition of playing Asian Games for India. Now you will be a promoter, a board member. How do you see your role in taking golf across the country?
It's a very, very important, not only we should look after the cricketer, we should look after other sports also. And I play this game golf, that's why I'm involved with the golf. Like Sunil Gavaskar played badminton, he can get involved with the badminton. So people like us is always sees which and other sports we can help them. And if we can help other sports, why not? And that's my objective in life is.
People often treat golf as elite game, but those who play golf and follow golf know that golfers come from various backgrounds. There are many caddy turned pros, many youngsters. How do you see these people join golf more and more? I mean, the ones who are from less privileged backgrounds.
I think, it's a myth about golf is only played very high people, but around the world, if you pick up that, all the good golfers come out from a very humble background. Yes, corporate get chance to go out and play, that's fine, but in India also, caddy turn pro, there are so many and make their life, and that's important. I think we have to change the myth about that only royalty can play. That was with the cricket also. If you look at cricket 40 years, 50 years back, only royals family used to play. Today every common person play. Common person is when you say rickshawala's son come out and play for India, that's important. So we would like to see the same. A common person in golf should come out if he has a talent, come and play for the country and make a life, and we should look up to them.
Now, you often mentioned what IPL did for cricket. Unfortunately, IPL came far too late for you. How can golf replicate a tournament like that, since there are already a number of sponsors in the domain? What would it take for IPL-style golf to come to life?
It's need time because without corporate, without media, it's not possible. Let's put it that way. And we will try to work out in time to come if we can go out and bring the sponsors and corporate to look after the teams and make a team something like IPL. Why not?
Annually, there are more than 500 corporate events in golf across India. Do you think if the professional tour can get increased corporate patronage from our homegrown golfers will be able to make a living out of playing domestic events? Would you be appealing to them personally?
No, it's not important mine there or not. I would like to see more corporate companies come out and, part of this PGTI. That's very important. More corporate world will come into this, the better for everybody, and that's important.
Now, let me ask you this. You've been a prolific cricketer. At the end of cricket, why did you take to golf? What is it about golf that you love the most?
To challenge myself.
Okay.
Golf is the only game where I'm not depending on anybody. I have to depend on myself. And I come to know about my own ability. That's what I love it. In cricket, you're depending on wicketkeeper, slip fielder, other people to help you. Here is the ball is there, you got a club, you have to pick up, nobody will guide you. And you are right or you're wrong, you will come to know end of the game. And that's the beauty about this game.
Well, wish you the very best in your new role.